there. Today I'm doing a review on these oven rack push and pull tools. These tools were gifted to me in exchange for my review. These oven tools are about 11 inches and it's suitable for ovens, air fryers, toaster ovens, anything where you need a little extra length and that it would be useful for you. They are a little bit longer. You will not take the risk of burning yourself on the oven when you're opening it up. It is very easy. It hooks right on the beaks there and you can just pull it out. Now I'm excited about it because I use quite heavy items such as my pan here. These hooks will be very easy even with a heavy item like this when you're cooking it. And what you'll do is on this side is to push it back in on the back side of the bird. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to push that in. Very easy to push that, and that is a very heavy item. So these are very great tools to have. They're very sturdy and durable. These tools are going to make my life so much easier and I suggest them.